Welcome to part 4, the image element, which is created with the img tag. So this is our first empty element, which means it has only an opening tag, no closing tag, and no content. Let's go down into our cell and create an image element. So the way it's going to work is simply like this, but it does require the source or the src attribute. And like all attributes, we just put its name, an equal sign, and quotes. And then inside the quotes, we put the URL of the image. So the URL can be either a local image or a remote image. So in this case, we're going to use a local source. And if we look into our notebooks, if we go back to our file system view, and you can see here we're in this Intro to HTML and CSS notebook, there is an images folder. This contains images for the course itself, the notebooks. So any of these images can be used. We're going to go ahead and use this dash.png file. So this is just a static image of the dashboard. And so if we go back over here, it's in the images folder, and it's called dash.png. And so that will create our image. Now the issue is here that it's actually created such a large image, and the rendering for the notebook cell isn't that great. So I'm scrolling through the image right here. It's kind of difficult to see. So what we'll do here is we can set the image's height using this height attribute. So that's just another attribute. And all of them still have to go, all of the values still have to go inside quotes, even if it's a numeric value. And the height will be in pixels. You don't actually label the pixels here, but with like px or something, you just put the number. So this is going to be a height of 300 pixels, and the width will automatically scale to whatever the height is. And this renders nicely, so the height is 300 pixels like that. So we've used the src attribute for the source, which can be either remote or local. Here we've used a local image. And then the height, we've given it some number. We can make this smaller, we can make this larger, and so forth. So that's how we create images with the img tag.